Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create 3D circle shape in Microsoft Publisher. So get really started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show create 3D circle shape. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for shape menu option. Now select from circle shape. Now draw a circle shape. Now you can see, now going to the then create 3D circle shape. Now going to the format menu option, then click. Now select from shape effect option. Now click for 3D resolution option. Now select from any 3D resolution. That is. Now you can see, then again click for format menu option, then select from shape fill option. Now select from any color and click for save outline. Now click for no outline. That is. Now you can see create 3D cycle shape in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for